Codium originated as a free and open-source alternative to Microsoft's Visual Studio Code, VS Code. Its unique appeal lies in its strong focus on privacy and support for the open-source community. Unlike the conventional VS Code, Codium is devoid of Microsoft's telemetry and tracking functionalities, providing a valuable option for developers who prioritize privacy while still benefiting from the essential features and extensions that contribute to VS Code's popularity. A notable highlight of Codium is its context-aware AI coding assistance. This intelligent system is crafted to aid developers in producing high-quality code by offering smart code suggestions and detecting potential errors in real time. This capability not only accelerates the coding process, but also enhances code quality and minimizes the risk of bugs. Furthermore, the AI can propose relevant tests for the code, significantly contributing to the reliability and thorough testing of your software. Codium accommodates a diverse array of programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, and others. It integrates effortlessly with widely used IDEs, making it easy to incorporate Codium into your existing workflow if you are already utilizing platforms like Visual Studio Code or JetBrains. This extensive language support and smooth integration render it a flexible tool for developers engaged in various projects. The AI features of Codium are continuously advancing, with regular updates introducing new functionalities and enhancements. The AI is designed to adapt based on the code you write and the projects you undertake, becoming increasingly effective and tailored to your needs over time. Consequently, the more you utilize Codium, the better it can assist you in writing superior code more efficiently. Moreover, Codium strongly prioritizes collaboration. It offers functionalities that facilitate teamwork on code, such as real-time code sharing and collaborative editing. This is especially beneficial for remote teams or developers involved in open-source initiatives, where effective collaboration is crucial for achieving success.